Live life when you have it. Life is a splendid gift, there is nothing small about it. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. There is a physical, not moral, impossibility of supplying the wants of the intellect in the state of civilization at which we have arrived. Rather, 10 times, die in the surf, heralding the way to a new world, than stand idly on the shore. For the sick, it is important to have the best. Everything is sketchy. The world does nothing but sketch. Remember my name, you'll be screaming it later. That of his own good pleasure he has predestined any souls to eternal damnation. It is very well to say be prudent, be careful, try to know each other. But how are you to know each other?